If you have a tacky layer, make sure you remove it. But it should be okay for me. All right. This one. Maybe not bigger one. The adhesive really good though, so you have to really gently with that. Aha, I gotcha. Let's do the biggest daisy. Just simply, if you have your tweezers, you can just like simply there you go. One more, and then probably I'm going to do some cute butterflies on it. This will look good with any colors you want, like backgrounds in the pink. And oh, I like that letter, Daisy. Here you go, super cute. And maybe I do this, so beautiful and tempting. Should we do a ladybug sun or butterflies? Well, maybe do one butterflies and one ladybugs. How about that? And like some colors on this. Just a cutie ones on. That's ladybugs. This ladybug might be too big, you think? No, I'm gonna let her out there. She's probably flying in the flowers. She's on the way. Let's see. And would be super cute ones. Because we had such a really rich background, and this cute butterfly still playing down here. She's not making up there to meet with her bestie yet, so she's still down there. And then maybe we can do one more. Let me see, I can find some cute one. Smaller one. I'm really like it, tiny little one though, because she fit with everywhere we're putting it her. Great, simple. If you want to put some crystals, you can, because we're gonna encapsulating as well. So in the meantime, before you key it, you can place some AB, some colors on it. I think it looks cute. Great. Piece of paper. Live Art, have you received your gift for your giveaway yet? I'm excited to see your creations. All right, so rave about the nails. Yes, did you? Awesome. All right, so I am going to using condensed glue gels right here. Really thick density, which is I really obsesses with that because it's really help to encaps all of the crystals, glitters, charm chains, and then it's adhere crystals from flat back to 3D and keep it safe for good 3 to 6 weeks. All right, so let's move to the no white top coat because when we finish, it's gonna be completely done. I will be, I'm gonna be right back from Instagram, okay? I think it's only 1 minute left. Please be back with me because we have finished this nails and another nails. It feels so bright on the Instagram though. Hey everyone, thanks so much for tuning in. I think this light is too bright on that nails. Can't see it because it's super bright. Hi Rave about nails. Hello Rosanna, Maya, is Maddie. Hey, thanks so much for tuning back in, sweetie. I know, so we're trying to do that so we can save the videos for everyone to watching later. If we go past, it's not gonna save us. So weird, because I don't know why is Instagram is always like that. But so now it's completely done. If you want to add any crystals on, I think it's great. If you don't want to, that's totally fine. Let me see if I can do some green on this one. You don't have to, but just in case you do, you can put some on it. And this is super cute. It's so settled, so it doesn't matter. Is it really bright? It feels like, turn it off. Can you turn it off the lighting? I don't know. Can you see Instagram? It looks like it's too bright for us though. Alright, I think I'm good with this nails. I do not want to mess up. And then if you want to put crystals on right here, and you can't, I'm not gonna mess up with this. You know me, because or else I'm gonna blink them hard. You don't see, you're ever gonna see your daisy and your butterflies anymore. And I'll be in trouble. Okay, cure for 60 seconds. And here you go, is the last nails. Where are our last nails? Is this, we did 4 nails already? No. Oh no, I'm sorry. This one is wood bearing that under here. All right, everyone, what would you like to see with this cute nails? I'm going to my, give me a whole stack of mine, please. Too many and too many options, which is awesome. Really attractive. Ta-da, that nails is done. If you need to fill into yours all the edges of the nails crystals to make sure that it's double secure so you won't not catching on the client's hair or the clothes, then you make sure even though they're a little, but sometimes they might scratch, like right here it feels scratchy right there. And you might feel some scratchy. I feel it right here. And each time you feel it, just squeeze just a little bit. Smaller little amounts go a long way. Let me squeeze it so you can feel that. There you go. But you need to squeeze. You might notice that is like a really full when you get the brand new one. So just you don't have to really, it's like adjusting it, go with the flow, see if it's really full, and just don't squeeze out a lot because you don't want it's gonna be flooded your crystals right here. So just check with the bottles. And I am going to using a twin tip brush, and I see that some extra right there. I'm gonna go ahead and blend it. It's really simple and fun today, everyone. I just want you all to see that. Oh my goodness, that's every time I see Nancy, it's just like all blinked out. We can really blink out the nails, but then also if any of you that got the beautiful sticker, I want you to see the beautiful variety of it. Doesn't have to be like sticks only. You can combine so many cool things together. I like if I have a chains right in front of me, I can do a whole and tie the chains like along with this. But this is so cute. Summertime, spring, well, we're in going to summers now. So here for 60 seconds, these nails will be completely done.